Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about the topic two sounds of G, that is G and G. J and G. Where we use the sound of J, and where we use the sound of G. See, there are 26 letters and sounds 44. There are two types of sound, hard sound and soft sound of G. Soft sound of G is calling like J sound. When G is followed by I, E and Y, that is produced J sound. And whenever G is followed by any consonant rather than I, E, Y, that is called the hard sound of G, and that is used as G, like G, L, O, V, E, and L here as a consonant. So here we is used as and pronounced as glove, Great. That is G is followed by R, that is also a consonant. So what we say here? Great, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.